literally get off the train and it smells like chocolate. A little disappointed this is just a water fountain, not chocolate. Jeez.
Dark chocolate? Look at the cocoa. Now we're talking. A little bit of cocoa. Butter. This is pretty good too. Lots of whole milk. Milk chocolate. No milk. No powdered milk. Butter and sugar. You call that chocolate. Eat too much chocolate. Chocolate.
Whoa!
You're gonna have kisses for the rest of your life and no chocolate. I'll get hugs. It's fine. No chocolate. I'm in hell.